Today we're in one of the approximately 3,800 GTO Judges built for the 1970 model year. This is a Ram Air 3 WS coated car, which means it's 366 horsepower. Unfortunately, it is not the original engine in it, but it is a date correct and era correct WS engine. This car does come with its PHS docks, numbers matching Muncie trans, correct 10 bolt 355 rear, subdued color. Granada Gold is subdued. I like it because it's not quite as ostentatious as Orbit Orange or any of the other stuff out there. And I like high impact in your face colors, but this blends in, except for the big wing on the back. So let's see what it's got. And while not being driven like it was meant to be driven, just cruising, the car drives really well. But the GMA body lineup usually does. We track straight, we stop straight. Overall, a very nice car. The hood tach does work. So, wrapping up, 70 GTO Judge, PHS docks, correct WS coated Ram Air 3 400 cubic inch V8, 366 horsepower. The big wing on the back, the awesome stripes on the side, hood tach, Endura nose. Does it have faults and flaws? Yes. But this is a driver quality plus car with all the right parts. It's a lot of fun. It's not $1 million car, but it's a car you can get in, afford, drive, impress your friends, lay down a couple black strips whenever you need to with it, and still bring home trophies. And it's waiting for you here at Classic Auto.